Hello there, third graders. Miss Hess here in the library. Sure is a quiet school without you guys here. I hope everyone's doing well out there. I was talking with your third grade teachers yesterday, and they were telling me that you are doing a unit in language arts about communities. So I wanted to remind you about Mac and Via, which is where our databases are, and it's an excellent place to assist you with doing your schoolwork and learning more about communities. So first of all, I want to tell you that on the HES Virtual Classroom page, I have a library tab, and if you click on electronic resources, it will flash up a page that will remind you about how to sign in to Mac and Via. I can't demonstrate it on this video because this video gets uploaded to YouTube and it's available to the general public. And we can't have everybody out in the whole world learning how to use our Heidelberg resources because we would lose them that way. We have to keep our resources for our school. So we ask you, please don't share your passwords or any of that information with anybody outside of our school. Okay, how to access Mac and Via. So what I did, I already went ahead and just signed in on my own. Under databases, we're going to start there first. And if you remember, there's 27 different databases. So I did a little research for you to make it a little easier on you guys. That's why I'm doing this video. So if you go down here to Britannica School Edition, that is always an excellent resource to find information about just about anything in school. It's your go-to for just about everything. So if you click on Open Now, we're going to choose elementary, of course. And we're going to utilize that search bar up top, which is very useful. And we will type in the word community. Community. Okay. And I'll just go ahead and choose that one. All right. So you have your different tabs that you can click on. So there's your introduction, then some information on this tab about what an urban community is like, suburban community, rural community, and then larger communities. Okay, that's a really good resource. And if you think you're a really good, strong reader, you can also click on Reading Level 2. And nothing's happening for me here, but it probably will for you. When I'm recording the videos, it can be a little tricky sometimes. So anyway, that's fine. You can change reading levels, but because I have the recorder running, sometimes I have little snafus that happen. Anyway, that Britannica School is a really good place to look at communities for a little more information, okay? Also, I can keep that tab open, and I can go back to my Mac and Via, and I want to go back to the general menu on the left-hand side, and I want to show you the links section. It's really cool. I did a little investigating, and there's something under Flix that can help you do a little reading about communities. So what I always do, I just highlight, it says username and password is military. That's the same, so I just copy, and then I open now, and then I'll do a right click to paste, right? Paste, and then paste, and then I go ahead and log in. Okay, I'm going to skip the intro because I just want to show you guys a couple of different places that I found that are really cool.
On the feature to begin.
All right, so obviously when we look at our 9 categories, family and community would make sense to go to because you're studying about communities, of course, right?
Family and community.
Okay, so, what's really cool about Flix is that they always give you a fiction book and a nonfiction book. So you can choose between which one that you prefer to watch first. The first one is like a video. A lot of you have been in my class for that, but not everybody got that information. But you can click on it and it will do the book for you in video form. And then the second one is a nonfiction book that you can open. So you have to kind of look around and see, okay, where would I find some good information about communities? So I had to go down here, and I spotted this one. It said living on farms. Okay, so that would fall under the category of rural communities, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And it's really fun to watch the story. I'm not going to demonstrate that. But you can just click on the book and you can learn all about living on a farm. Very, very nice. And you can just click through it. It will read it to you. You can zoom in on things. You can make the book the whole size of your screen, which is really nice. And then when you're all done, you can do the activities on the left also. Very nice. Okay, so I am going to go back.
Family and community.
Okay, back to my communities again. Now I'm looking for, this one is called My Neighborhood, which would fit our category of urban or suburban. Okay, so same thing. You just click on it. You can watch the story, and that's the fiction portion. And then, of course, click on the left side and learn about suburban communities. Okay? So it's really, really nice. I hope that you can try both the database link for the Britannica, and then you go ahead and go to the links link for the book Flix. Those are really good help tips that can help you learn more about communities. And I'll see you soon. You guys take care. Bye, guys.